Corazon 112 here, show you how to make a swallow aeroplane. Yep. Superior flight.
Later we're going to test.
Yep, this is my friend. Later we're going to upload the test flight of this aeroplane. So let's go start. Okay, A4 paper. Okay, first fold it this way. Make sure it's even. It's like touches the line, something. Okay. Same goes to the other side. I am just a bit wobbly table. Okay, you should get this 2x. Okay, so what you need to do now is push it in. And then stop right here, just press it. And we have something like this. Okay, next, for the swallow's tail, all we need is this part of the paper. So fold it this way. For the other side too, because we're gonna change later. Okay, after you have this, you're going to tear it. Okay, here for the tail, but we're going to keep it later. Okay, so let's continue with the swallow. Next, this part here, fold it up. Do the same to the other side. And you have something like this. Okay, next, what we're going to do now is the mouth of the swallow, and the tricky thing is the folding. Okay, first we're going to do it this way. And then the other side. And here. But it doesn't end here. We need to do the upper part. So just do the same thing as what you did to the bottom. Okay, there. So now you gotta fold this thing into half, and then you take it back and you fold it out again. So we're going to make the mouth, and it's going to be like this. This part here, from the top, this, push it. You need to push this edge here. Put one finger here and push. And you have this, but make sure it's pointy. Okay, so it has to be like this. Same goes to the other part. One finger here, push it, and there. So we have something like this. See? 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 See?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, let's finish the tail. Fold this long rectangular paper into half. And then, okay, fold this thing like what you do to normal airplanes. Man, I have butterfingers. Gigantic. Okay, so this part here is gonna be bottom. Okay, so this the model we did earlier. So what we're going to do is just tuck this part in until there's no longer room for it to go in. Okay, so what do next? Turn it behind, fold it backwards until you see these two triangles, or I call it mountain. Okay, then fold it up and you should have something like this. So this will be the bottom and this will be the top. Okay, without delay, let's complete the plane. So what you do next is fold the plane up, and you should know what to do next. Fold it, and there you have it. Swallow paper plane. Tycho Rider 112. Be sure to subscribe and comment. Thank you.